Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is the day 4 of my bicycle tour. But as they say, all good things must come to an end. It's time for me to bid farewell to some amazing people I've met during my stay here. Patrick, Diana and Amit have decided to continue their adventure further south. I was excited about the adventures that lie ahead for them and believe they'll continue creating incredible memories. On the other hand, I'll miss their company dearly. Now the three cyclists being gone, the place around seemed to be strangely empty. And it was time for me to shift gears and dive back into the world of work. Remember this cow from episode 1? She's back, folks, and she's become a quite regular here. Let's hope I didn't scare her this time. Sorry, cow. So, my friends at the hostel they planned a trek or a trail to somewhere, and as on bicycle, I'm heading for crossing the town, and probably I need to reach there first because they're all on motorbikes, and I'm heading on the same way on the same road that I was yesterday. I hope the climbs are more interesting now. One of the concerns I observed here was Gokarna's improper disposal of waste, particularly plastic. So I reached to the point where we're supposed to meet. I'm still waiting for the bikers. They started, I think, 20-30 minutes late. They were just giving me a heads up. And I'm at the point where there's a junction between Om and Kudle beach. And there's a sign for it. So the road was same. The elevations weren't surprising because yesterday I had already climbed them. So it was faster and quicker this time. So let's see how the road goes. It's quite sunny still. It's around 5 p.m. While awaiting the arrival of my friends, I seized the opportunity to venture out and explore Kudle Beach, which was a few meters away. Kudle Beach is known for its stunning natural beauty. It features a long stretch of golden sand embraced by rolling hills and surrounded by lush greenery. Meet Laura, an adventure soul hailing from England, embarking on the journey to explore India for next few months. Prince and Sandhya. They were on their vacation together, leaving behind the hustle and bustle of their daily lives. As I embarked on the trail to the hidden spot, a sense of excitement and anticipation filled the air. A gentle rustling of leaves and the occasional chirping of the birds created symphony of the nature's melody. The trail meandered through untouched wilderness, a sanctuary of serenity and natural beauty. Sammy is the manager at the hostel, and Shiva is one of the fellow traveler.
She said that she stayed in a tent somewhere. I was like, where's that?
Prince and Sandhya celebrated the 2 years of being together. It was a surprise treat from Sandhya, and certainly a beautiful place to celebrate. Except the people like us around. We all spent rest of the evening at the cliff, enjoying the serene view of the sunset.
Yeah. Jump, jump. He's trying to suicide.
Sammy, Sammy. Woo! Shiva, 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 Shiva.
Okay, take a long jump, Bacha. Come on.
He'll land up there. अरे कुछ नहीं है, जाएगा आराम से, आजा. हाँ, easy peasy. अरे यहाँ पे देखो सब लोग, कुछ अचीवमेंट हुआ ऐसा.
The cliff was less explored and seemed to be untouched. We were the only people there, and I wish it stays hidden from the crowd. And so it retains its beauty. I decided to venture out to another place for dinner, hoping to indulge into mouth-watering feast. Little did I know disappointment was on the menu that evening. The seafood wasn't fresh, and my taste buds were left puzzled. This marks the end of my day 4, and I still got more places to explore around here. And if you like my work, please do subscribe to my channel and stay updated with the latest content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.